So this question is a true or false question, and it's asking if direct hashing involves overwriting data when a collision is found. And so with direct hashing, we should remember that it's x, or any value, modulo, size of the table, right? And so let's just say we have 4, and then we also have 14. If we put that into our table, we're going to put 4 in first, at the fourth block, because 4 modulo 10 is 4, and then 14 modulo 10 is also 4, right? So we're going to put 4 in first where it needs to go, and then with the same equation, we're going to do the same thing to 14, and so it's going to overwrite this 4, and now at this space, it's going to be 14. So it is true. And that's not actually really good because, well, it's not good if you're trying to keep track of your data, because your data will just get lost if you have the same modulo. So yeah.